In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and tap on microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you don't have it, use gear icon instead and tap on voice typing option to enable it by tapping on this switcher until it's blue. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on the now visible microphone. Hit while using the app or only this time. If you are not sure, I highly recommend to choose while using the app though, because if you want, it will crash. And start typing. Then use the same microphone to stop or start. If you wish, you can also turn on voice typing like that, but also select tiny icon right next to it by a simple tap. This one. This way you can access toolbar. Hit next, select done, and use it the same way as you would standard voice typing. Just tap on a microphone. Now, to delete text, use this button with an X. To access available options, click on those three lines on the left. But my favorite option, to move your toolbar around, hold it and drag it to place it wherever you want to. To go back to standard keyboard though, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!